All right, traders, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Bloodhound's time session solver to help you to create statistics of your own on your own trade setups. Now, to do that, first of all, we have to go into our Ninja Trader Control Center, and we have to create a new session template. So we go to the session manager. Of course, this is Ninja Trader 7, so it's a little bit different if you're using Ninja Trader 8. But let's just use NinjaTrader 7 for the purpose of this video. All right, so here's our default 24/7 session template. Now don't worry about creating a new template because we're not going to assign it to anything in NinjaTrader. We're only going to use it for Bloodhound. So I'm going to copy this and I'm going to call it my day trade session, let's just say. I already have one. So I'll just call it. All right, so now let's just say that you only trade on Monday, Tuesdays, and Fridays between 9 a.m. and 11 a.m. And you don't trade the open. All right, so we don't trade on Sunday, so we're going to delete Sunday. So Monday, we're going to change this. We're going to say, and because you don't trade the open, let's just say you're going to say, I don't trade until 9:05 a.m. or whatever it is that you do. And then we end that day at 11 a.m. All right. Tuesday, same thing. 9:05 to Tuesday at 11 a.m. We don't trade Wednesdays. We don't trade Thursdays. Friday again. 9:05. And we don't, of course, trade Saturday to Sunday. All right, so now we have our session. It's called My DT for my day trade. My day trading, okay. So let's create a new chart, and I'll show you how we can do this. So we're going to create a new chart, and I'll create it for crude oil. We're just going to use the Unorenco. Let's make these bars a little wider. All right. All right, so I'm going to add my Bloodhound indicator on it. It starts with an S, SI Bloodhound. All right. I don't need this really that big down here. Again, this is just an example. So we're going to change, we're going to name it, our template. We're just going to call it SFT Day Trading. We'll overwrite that, yes. All right. So we'll just do like one of our other videos. We're going to create a new solver that will give us a racing stripe on every reversal bar. Okay, so we're going to add that. We're going to change this to be based on price. We're going to name it RB for reversal bar. All right. So if you see here, we have a reversal bar on every, we have a racing stripe on every reversal bar. Now let's just say that that represents your trade setup. Of course, you're not going to have a trade setup based on a single reversal bar, but I'll show you how we can narrow down to the times that you trade. All right, so we're going to create a new time session solver. Okay, we're going to rename it here. Now you can name it anything you want. We're going to just stick with my day trade. All right, we're going to follow this down. My day trade, here we go. So there it is. Now, under a logic here, we're going to create a new logic. We're going to call it, we're just going to call it my day trade logic again, just for the sake of having something simple. Now we're going to add each one of your strategies here, or each one of your solvers. All right. Now we're going to add a logic node, which is an AND function, right? So if we have an R reversal bar and it happens during my day trading session. All right, so let's just see here. So today is Friday. Of course, the market hasn't opened yet. So if we scroll back to a couple of days ago, I think I have, I got to set this to 10 days, sorry. So we're going to, I'm going to go to data series, not indicators. We're going to do, 10 days. So let's go back a few days here. There we go. So now, this was presented that video that I showed you before, one of my previous videos. So we see during that time period, now you could go through and count up all your trade setups and start building your own statistics for just the time that you trade to see if your trade setup is viable. Now I hope to create other videos that will even give us some more tools that will help us to make this easier. But I just thought I would show you how you can narrow down your counts, as it were, to create your own statistics using the time session solver. I hope this video helped you. As always, if you could subscribe and like and set your click on the bell, that will help me grow the channel. All right, happy trading.